Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to discover all about the wonderful world of castor oil. When it comes to natural remedies, castor oil has become a very useful liquid that can help our skin, hair, and health in general. Castor oil comes from the seeds of the Ricinus communis plant and has been used for hundreds of years to treat illnesses and make people look better. We're going to talk about 20 amazing benefits of castor oil. Natural moisturizer. Let's start with skin. Castor oil can help keep your skin moist, which is one of its main benefits. Castor oil deeply nourishes and moisturizes the skin because it is full of fatty acids. It is a great natural alternative to commercial moisturizers. To use, just take few drops of castor oil and few drops of almond oil. Mix and put on your face or body and rub it in gently to give your skin a healthy glow. Hair strengthening and growth. Castor oil is famous for how well it works to keep hair healthy. Castor oil massages on a regular basis can make hair follicles stronger, stop hair from breaking, and make hair grow faster. Put a lot of it on your scalp, let it sit for a few hours or overnight, and then wash it out for thick, healthy hair. You can make easy hair mask to stop hair fall and strengthen your hair. Take 4 tablespoons of yogurt, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of castor oil, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Mix well. Apply on scalp and hair. Cover with shower cap and for 1 to 2 hours. Wash with herbal shampoo or baby shampoo. Safer for hair because they have less chemicals. For best result, use this mask once a week. Improve your brows and lashes. Not only for your hair, but also for your eyelashes and eyebrows. If you regularly use a little castor oil, you'll see a difference in how thick and strong it is. Natural way to slow down the aging process. Castor oil has natural anti-aging properties that can help smooth out fine lines and wrinkles. Before bed, gently massage a few drops into your face to make your skin more flexible and give it a younger look. Acne-fighting properties. Are you having trouble with acne? Because it kills germs, castor oil is a gentle but effective solution. Applying a little bit to spots will help fight bacteria and reduce swelling. Joint and muscle pain relief. Castor oil has become known for its ability to ease joint, muscle pain and help people with arthritis. The oil's anti-inflammatory properties and ability to boost blood flow and lymphatic flow make it a popular choice for relieving the pain of arthritis and joint pain. Castor oil packs are one method that works well. Put a clean cloth soaked in castor oil over the hurt joint and cover it with plastic wrap to make a castor oil pack. Putting something hot on top of the pack, like a hot water bottle, makes it work better. The warmth helps the oil get into the skin, which makes the muscles and joints feel better. For 45 to 60 minutes, leave the pack on. Using castor oil packs on a regular basis may help reduce swelling, improve flexibility, and ease the pain of arthritis and other joint conditions. Natural sleep aid. Castor oil can help you get a good night's sleep by soothing and calming you. Castor oil massages on the temples or the back of the neck can be a relaxing way to wind down before bed, and they may even help you sleep better. Soothing sunburns. Sunburns can be painful, but castor oil can help. Because it soothes and reduces inflammation, it's a great way to treat sunburned skin. Putting a thin layer on the hurt area will cool it down and help it heal faster. Natural laxative for digestive health. When used in small amounts, castor oil can help your digestive health by acting as a mild, natural laxative. Talk to a doctor or nurse before adding it to your routine, and be sure to follow the right dosage instructions. Dandruff and scalp health. Another benefit of castor oil is that it can help get rid of dandruff and keep the scalp healthy. Regularly massaging it into your scalp will help with dryness, get rid of dandruff, and improve the health of your scalp as a whole. Eyelid cysts, styes, treatment. Putting little castor oil on a sty or cyst in the eyelid may help reduce swelling and encourage drainage. Due to its anti-inflammatory properties, castor oil can help ease the pain that comes with these eye conditions. Lip balm and dry skin treatment. Castor oil is a great natural lip balm because it moisturizes. Putting a little on lips that are dry or cracked can help soothe and moisturize, making them feel soft and flexible. Cracked heel fix. If you have dry, cracked heels, massaging castor oil into the areas that hurt can help soften the skin and speed up the healing process. Regular use, especially right before bed, can help make heels smoother and healthier. Dental health. Some people use castor oil as part of an old method of cleaning their teeth called oil pulling. People believe that swishing a small amount of castor oil around in their mouth for 15 to 20 minutes can help get rid of toxins and improve oral health. It's still important to keep up with regular dental hygiene habits. Castor oil packs for cysts. Some people who practice alternative medicine say that castor oil packs can help reduce swelling and speed up the healing process. To make a castor oil pack, you soak a cloth in castor oil and then put it on the skin over the hurt area. People think that the heat from the pack will help the blood flow and lymphatic drainage. If you think you might have a cyst, you should see a doctor right away to get a proper diagnosis and treatment options. Reduce of stretch marks after pregnancy. Many moms want to get rid of their stretch marks after giving birth, and castor oil is often looked at as a natural way to do this. Castor oil is thought to help skin stay elastic and moist because it is high in fatty acids and moisturize as well. Regularly massaging the affected areas with castor oil may help the body make more collagen, which is important for keeping skin flexible. Castor oil may also help soothe the skin and protect it from oxidative stress because it is anti-inflammatory and an antioxidant. How to apply? Cleanse the skin. To get the most out of the product, start with clean, dry skin. Put on castor oil. Rub a little castor oil into the stretch marks in a gentle way. As you massage, work the oil into your skin in circles for 5 to 10 minutes. Do not turn it off. Leave the oil on your skin for at least 3 hours, or even overnight. Wipe off or rinse. To get rid of the oil, you can either rinse it off or use a damp cloth. Even though results may be different for each person, using castor oil as part of your skincare routine can be a gentle and natural way to help your skin heal and reduce the look of stretch marks after giving birth. As with any skincare routine, it's best to get personalized advice from a medical professional. Treatment for fungal infections. Castor oil can help with a number of fungal infections because it kills fungi. If you put castor oil on the affected area, it might help get rid of problems like athlete's foot or ringworm. Detoxing the liver. Castor oil is thought to have detoxifying properties that can help the liver work better. Castor oil packs put on the liver area by some people help the liver get rid of toxins and stay healthy. Pain relief for menstrual cramps. Massaging warm castor oil onto the lower abdomen has helped some people with menstrual cramps. Because the oil is anti-inflammatory and soothing, it may help ease the pain and discomfort of menstrual cramps. As with any natural remedy, different people may react differently to it. Before using it on a large area of your body, you should do a patch test and talk to a doctor, especially if you have any health concerns or conditions. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share.